Thank you. So Republicans have a provision on their health bill around cost-sharing reductions that includes language around how states whose health plans cover abortion will be excluded from this type of funding. 13 states currently require insurance, including the ACA, to cover abortion. California, Washington are two of those. Can y'all respond to how Republicans' bill could potentially make it so that 13 states don't have that type of funding, which is used to lower premiums?
Yeah. This just continues to be, and all of these, policies are, this is like the greatest hits of Republican healthcare solutions from like 2007, right? These are all old recycled policies that never became law. The provision that you're talking about specifically, and Chair Delbene can talk to this from a Ways and Means perspective, is meant to be punitive to blue states who believe that women should have healthcare coverage and that those decisions should be between a woman and her doctor on what that coverage looks like. That is our core belief, and that is our focus. Republicans seem hell-bent on wanting to continue to assault that provision and ensure that politicians make choices about women's health care rather than doctors and women. And so that's unfortunate. But it isn't surprising, and like I said, these are all recycled provisions that haven't become law, that have been pushed back against even by Republicans in the past. And so this is a collection of pieces that Speaker Johnson feels will unite his party and his caucus, and his conference, and we'll see if that's the case. They turn their back on moderates engaging in proposals that would provide health care and lower these premium tax, lowering these premiums that people pay. But we'll see what else. But generally, Republicans just take it. They'll just continue to vote, yes, because Donald Trump and Speaker Johnson tell them to.
No, I mean, I agree. I think that we've seen attacks from this administration on healthcare across the board, on doctors' ability to help do what they think is best for patients to make decisions. So not surprising that Republicans continue down this path. But we're going to stand up for healthcare for folks all across the country. They have created a healthcare crisis and raising costs for everyone. And the American people are seeing that, and they're going to continue to stand up and reject the policies Republicans are putting in place, because it's affordability, but it's also making sure that they can make their own healthcare decisions with their doctors.